How to read ebooks with Amazon Kindle app. Want to read a new book? This guide shows you how to read ebooks with the Amazon Kindle app so you can read books for free. First, you need to download the Amazon Kindle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and log into your Amazon account. If you're a Prime member, you can read a wide selection of free ebooks from the Prime Reading Library. You can find a book to read by searching for it or by browsing the categories. You'll see a Prime Reading logo next to the books that are included with a membership. Tap on the book that you want to read to go to its page. You'll see a Read for Free button. Tap on the Read for Free button to start reading the book. The book will be downloaded to your device, and you can read it offline. You can also buy other ebooks from the app. It's a great way to read books for free. You now know how to read ebooks with the Amazon Kindle app. Get ready to read books for free. Like and subscribe for more app tips.